Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Heading back over to the lathe today and we're going to explore London plane as a turning wood. And we're going to talk a little bit about orienting your blank on the lathe to hopefully expose the prettiest stuff that's in there. We don't always know what's in there, but sometimes we can have an idea from looking at it. So we're going to talk a little bit about how I decide which side is up and which side is down. London plane day! Come on! All right. So this piece of London plane is approximately 7 inches across by about 2 1/8 deep or so. But let's talk about orientation. Most of the time you got a blank of wood that you're throwing up on the lathe. It's fairly homogeneous, or in terms of like there isn't going to be necessarily one pretty side and one not pretty side. This blank is an example of not that. So London plane in certain orientations has a lot of cool like ray fleck, like medullary ray action, kind of similar to like white oak kind of an idea. And it's showing up real good on this side of my blank, but this side is fairly boring, which tells me that this is the side that I want to highlight. So you might think this is the side you want to be the top, because that's the side that you don't want your pretty stuff on the bottom of the bowl. But it's not the case when we're talking about bowl turning, because if you think about it, we're digging down into this. And so what we want is the pretty stuff to be on the bottom so that we're going down and exposing it. If we put the pretty stuff on the top, we might cut it all away and turn it into sawdust and chips. Whereas if we put the boring side on the top, hopefully when we carve down into it, we're exposing the pretty stuff from the bottom on the bottom of the inside of the bowl. So this is going to be the top of my bowl. The pretty stuff's on the bottom, and hopefully when we dig down into it, we're going to expose that pretty stuff on the inside of the bowl. Little bit counterintuitive, but trust me, that is the case. Well, let's get her mounted up. I'm not really sure what I'm after here. I'm just making cuts. I don't really like this. So I'm going to get rid of that. It'll be a little bit smaller, but I don't care for that. There we go. Pretty much rid of it. I actually don't hate this kind of interesting little shapy thing happening here naturally just from random cuts. And I think I might just go with that. Just clean it up a little bit. It's interesting. Maybe just when I'm sanding, that'll round over a little bit and maybe not be quite so accentuated, which I would like to have happen. Yeah, that's kind of okay. That's pretty okay. Let's see where we can get to. We can go down to 1 3/4 before we have to worry at the bottom there. Hopefully we'll get down enough that all that pretty quarter sawn stuff starts coming through the bottom. We got another 1/2 inch or so to go. There we go. We're still safe for a little bit, but we'll stop there with about 1/8 or so left to go until my safe mark. We'll do the sides down, and then by the time we'll take a little bit more off the bottom as we're doing the sides, getting them to thickness, and we should be pretty close. A little thick at the transition. I'm not gonna totally mimic the outside because I feel like that would be weird for the inside of a bowl to be shaped like that. But I'm just gonna smooth out those that sort of swoop and collar. That's pretty close. One little ridge I want to get rid of, I guess. But pretty okay. I did get down to the quarter sawn-y stuff at the bottom, which I like. Just smooth out that one ridge around the edge. I get it. I almost got it. A little, I can probably sand it. I'm happy enough with it that I think sanding is gonna finish it off. All right. Yep. Yep, pretty okay. So not as much of that pretty quarter-sawn stuff coming through at the bottom as I had hoped I would get to, especially compared to the bottom, but significantly more than if I would have faced it the other way on the lathe. It would have been boring as shit. So pretty happy with that. That's an interesting little shape. I like that I decided to add a couple of little ridges for accents and stuff to it. It's a perfectly good little bowl. Pretty happy with it. London plane is an interesting wood. Depending on the orientation that it came out of the tree, it can be fairly interesting or it can be super boring. But overall, pretty happy with that one. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you next time. This will be going up on my website at some point, which, by the way, is linked down below if you want to go check out some things that I've made that you can buy. All right. Later.